Hi, everyone. So we made it. We're in week 2. All right. So you're my Wednesday people. I will see you in lab tomorrow. Yes. Also, chapter 1 homework, week 1, chapter 1 homework is going to be due in lab. So make sure you turn that in. So I wanted to talk about this week really quickly. Expectations for the class. That's something that I forgot to mention. I will do my best to post everything Sunday night for the upcoming week. And then homework, grading, I will try to get the turnaround. I'll try to get that back to you in a week. Make sure you buy your Bio 1 lab manual if you haven't already done so, because tomorrow the lab we're going to do is going to come out of that Bio 1 lab manual. Remember, you get that from the bookstore. Again, I mentioned you're turning in chapter 1 homework tomorrow. Also tomorrow in lab, we'll have quiz 1. Quiz 1 will be on the stuff we covered last week in lab, the scientific method, the stuff I put on the board, the lab that we did, the Obsertainer. I talked about grading. I want to put online office hours. I'm leaning to Tuesday mornings, or Tuesday afternoon. When I have that, I'll let you all know. And for this week, we're focusing on chapter 1 still, scientific method. I think I'm going to put up a video on Canvas and then have you do a quiz. Again, do your homework. That is what is going to be on the test. So that's what you should be studying for. And if you have any questions, email me. And that's all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.